this final video, we're going to see how we can export this ETABS model so that it is ready to 3D print and be given to your 3D printer wherever you're sending it to. So you have this ETABS model, and you can go to File. Make sure that if it is in display, it's in deformed shape. You can also unlock this if you want. It shouldn't be in the deformed shape, it should be undeformed. And go to File, Export, and here you have 3D printing.stl file. That's all. The moment you do this, I have a couple of copies here, but I'm going to make it simple framed high-rise 2, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. And now what we're going to do is, I have Rhino open for my own scaling down because it's 1:1 that you have imported. So I'm going to get in, let's say, open or import and framed high-rise 2. I'm going to open it here, and this says make sure that we are working in meters. So my STL or stereo lithography is the format. So I'm going to work in meters, and once you've done this is a wireframe. In rendered, this comes, everything is sort of broken. You can see this wall and this becomes one frame, but that's okay. I will just check the distance from here till here, and it's 7,000 meters. So that's a lot. If I look at my ETABS model, and if I go to edit and story data and check its 28 meters or 28 meters, so I need to scale it down first of all. If I just do the math, from 7,000 meters, which is for some reason it's doing that, I need to bring it down to 28 meters. So if I open the calculator, from 28 meters, from 7,000 meters, I need to bring it down to 28 meters. That means I have to do a 1:250 scale. Okay, so I'm going to come here and select this and use scale and select a reference point and 1 divided by 250. Now it's really small, so I can put Z, enter, E, enter, and now I have this 1:1. Yes, it's a 28-meter long building. Now that's still not enough because we're not printing at 1:1 scale. So what we are going to do is, I want a 1:400 of this. Okay, now 1:400 is fine because a 28-meter building, you divide it by 400, how much does it come? 28,000 divided by 400. It comes up to be 70 mm, which is good enough. It's a tiny, almost less than 3-inch building. So 1:2, your buildings are taller. Sometimes there are even 50 meters, so they might even go more than 10 centimeters. For me, it's 70 mm or 7 centimeters. So what I'll do is, I will just do the scaling once again, and SC, enter, reference point, and 1 divided by 400, and again Z, enter, E, enter to enlarge the whole model. Distance DI, and I can see that this is 0.070 or 70 mm or 7 centimeters. So that is something that I can save. I can save it as a Rhino model. I can save it better. It's better if we have it STL model. STL is somewhere here, stereo lithography, and I can call it ready for 3D printing. And this model, you can say it, okay, and this model could be sent to your 3D printing guy. So that's all, very simple, and I hope you get really nice models coming out.